Are you an artist trying to decide between United Masters and DistroKid? You're in the right place. In this video, we will compare these two popular music distribution services. Both help you get your music on platforms like Spotify and Apple Music, but they do it in different ways. United Masters lets you distribute your music while keeping your rights. It's great for artists who want to maintain control. They also offer marketing tools to help you promote your music. Plus, you can get paid quickly when your tracks get streams. On the other hand, DistroKid is known for its speed and simplicity. You pay a flat fee to upload unlimited songs and albums. DistroKid also sends your music to many platforms at once, making it super easy. They offer features like automatic splits for collaborators, which is a nice touch. Now, let's look at the key differences. United Masters focuses more on artist development and offers a free tier, but you give up some rights. DistroKid, however, has a straightforward pricing model and is great for those who release a lot of music. When it comes to features, United Masters has tools for analytics and promotional support. DistroKid shines with its fast uploads and unique features like YouTube monetization. In terms of pricing, United Masters has a free option but takes a cut from your earnings. DistroKid charges an annual fee, but you keep all your profit. So, which one should you choose? If you want to keep your rights and get extra marketing help, go with United Masters. If you're looking for speed and a simple pricing plan, DistroKid is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.